Welcome to a journey into the very soul of Vietnamese gastronomy. Perhaps the first image that comes to your mind when thinking of the S-shaped land is a steaming bowl of traditional pho, with its clear, delicate broth and the sophisticated sweetness of slow-simmered bones. However, if you wish to touch a different side of pho, one that is bold, intense, and full of character, allow me to lead you to a completely different experience. Pho Sao Kipa Rau Cai, or stir-fried beef pho with bok choy. We, the Vietnamese people, love pho so deeply that we never limit our creativity to a single recipe. Pho Sao is a proud reimagination. Imagine, instead of being bathed in a gentle broth, those silky, snow-white rice noodles are about to undergo a true trial by fire on a scorching cast-iron wok. The secret to a sublime plate of stir-fried pho lies in the art of the sear. Under a roaring flame, the chef must move the wok constantly, swiftly and decisively. The rhythmic sizzle and the intoxicating aroma wafting through the air are when the magic happens. The noodles are skillfully pan-seared until they achieve a beautiful golden brown char on the edges, creating a fascinating texture, a light, crispy outer layer that gives way to a soft, chewy heart. We call this wok hei, the breath of the wok, a smoky, seductive essence that no machine can ever replicate. The next protagonist is the tender slices of fresh beef. Thinly sliced and richly marinated, the beef is only introduced to the wok when the temperature has reached its peak. In just a few seconds of rapid tossing over the high heat, the beef is perfectly seared, locking all its natural juices inside, making every bite melt in your mouth tender. And we cannot forget the vibrant green of the bok choy. These crisp greens do more than just balance the richness of beef and oil. They bring a delightful, crunchy structure to the dish. All these ingredients are bound together by a glossy, savory brown sauce that coats every strand of noodle and every leaf of green, creating a visual feast that is impossible to resist. But wait, this experience is not yet complete without the soul seasonings of the Vietnamese people. Gently add a touch of pungent chili sauce, and do not forget a few drops of garlic-infused vinegar. Thinly sliced garlic and chili pickled in vinegar to create a bright acidity that awakens every sense. A light dusting of black pepper on top completes this masterpiece of flavor. As you lift your chopsticks, take a deep breath of the aroma, the scent of seared beef mingling with northern black pepper. Feel the wonderful contrast between the crispy pan-seared noodles and the velvety beef, the sweetness of the greens and the deep umami of the sauce. This is not just a meal to satisfy hunger. It is how we enjoy the vibrant, energetic pulse of the Vietnamese streets. Amidst the bustling atmosphere of Hanoi's Old Quarter or the fast-paced life of Saigon, a hot plate of pho sao is not just a choice to satisfy the most discerning palates, it is a warm greeting we wish to send to you. A Vietnam full of color, full of creativity, and always brimming with hospitality. Enjoy your meal, and may your culinary journey through Vietnam be truly unforgettable.